All right, the last assessment, okay, using this dynamometer, okay, this is what this device is called. It's called a dynamometer, okay, and it's like a grip test. All right, and it's going to determine the strength that we have in our hands, in our forearms, all the way up to our biceps and triceps, okay? So the grip test is a good test because it'll show us exactly where we're at.
Hey everyone, it's Chris from Flaghouse, and this week I'm here with Dan Dayshop to look at some great products you can use for fitness assessment.
That's right, Chris. Fitness assessment, whether it's a sit and reach or the grip tester that you have there, it's so important to collect that information to see where your students are at that level and then incorporate some activities to get them to the next level.
So you're going to see some great things you can do with this physical assessment product coming up next. And if you like videos like this, you need to subscribe to the Flaghouse Activity channel. We always have new videos every single week. Coming up next, it's fitness assessment here on the Flaghouse Activity channel.
All right, you guys, so all this neat equipment here is all about the fitness assessment, okay? So the fitness assessment is to see where you're at this moment with regards to strength, flexibility, agility, okay, cardio, all right? Because when you're in any type of fitness program, it's nice to know what level you're at today, and everything that you've done, you redo the assessment to see how far you've actually gone to. This here is called the sit and reach. What it does is it actually tests for your flexibility, how flexible we are, how much movements in our joints and that, which flexibility is very, very important to have, all right? And I'm going to document and see how flexible you are with the scale that is provided, all right? So the scale tells me what ages we are at and the scale that we're going to do. So after you sit in a sit and reach and you push, I'm going to document and see what the number is, and I'm going to tell you if you are fair, good, excellent, or superior, all right? So Willow, you're going to have your back nicely straight like this here, and what you're going to do is you're going to put your fingertips just on there, and you're going to bend, okay? And you're going to see how far you can stretch that out by actually pushing on this here. So just give that a go, okay?
Like pushing that?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, as far as you can go, okay? Feet nicely up in there. You have very good posture. The back is nice and straight. You're putting your hands out, okay? Then you're gonna reach out and you're gonna push the lever. Very nice. Okay, another one, 24. Okay, that is excellent. Go again. All right, no, that's good. Okay, so for you, we would have some work to do on flexibility, right? So what we would do now is we would take all this information, okay? And for people who are a lot more flexible, okay, we probably wouldn't work as much on flexibility as maybe somebody who really needs it. So I would work with Graydon to do exercises and activities that would focus on his flexibility. All right, the next assessment is going to be a long jump, a standing long jump, which means that we're gonna have our feet kind of where the picture is here. We're going to go down into like a squat position, like this here. And what we're going to do is we're going to push out and see how far we go. Okay, you ready? Go down into a squat position, okay? Get those legs separated a little bit more, all right? And we're gonna push ourselves forward, perfect. All right, what do we got? Okay, so stay right there, yep. And I want you to not move. Okay, what do we have here? We have 5 feet. What do we got, Willow? Okay, 5 feet 4. Perfect. All right. Very good. 4, 6. Perfect. Graydon. Woo! Nice jump. That was a 5, 8. Perfect. All right. The next assessment is a jump test. Okay. Again, we're going to be assessing 2 different components of our muscles. One is going to be our lower body, kind of like what we did on the jump mat. Okay, and the other one is going to be a reach, so almost like another flexibility. We're all going to be having, I'm going to give you 2 of these each. It's got a little bit of Velcro. This is actually Velcro as well here too. And we're going to go down kind of in a squat position and we're going to fire up. And same thing, I'm going to judge and see what the number is, write that down. So I want you guys to be in good position. You got it? Good position, okay? And fire up. Go ahead. Nice. Okay, let's see now if we can beat that one. Ah, very nice. What do we have? We have 30. Charlotte. Nice. Okay. Nice, that's good position. Nice position, very nice. 14, 15. The next assessment is we're going to assess or evaluate where we are with regards to our upper body strength and power, which means our shoulders, our chest, our biceps, and specifically our triceps, okay? So this part of here, how we're doing at this level here, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be doing some push-ups, okay? So a proper push-up, guys, I know you guys, but I want you guys to have good posture. Our back is straight, our arms are locked, our arms are shoulder width apart, and we're gonna go down and then up, down and then up. 1, 2, 3, nice. 4, a little bit lower. That's it, perfect, good, excellent. So I'm gonna record that. Pick up over here, that's it, excellent, right there. Nice, good push-up, very nice. Those are good push-ups, excellent. All right, the last assessment, okay, using this dynamometer, okay, this is what this device is called. It's called a dynamometer, okay, and it's like a grip test, all right, and it's going to determine the strength that we have in our hands, in our forearms, all the way up to our biceps and triceps, okay? So the grip test is a good test because it'll show us exactly where we're at. It also gives us a gender, so whether you're a girl or a boy. We can put a girl and a boy there because the scales are a little bit different. And it also gives you your age. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with Mason, okay? It's flashing, we're going to change it to a boy, okay? Now we're going to press it again, and the age. How old are you, Mason? 10, okay? So we're going to bring it down to 10 years old. Everybody see that? Press the start. I'm going to give you the grip meter. You're going to put your hand inside there, okay? And you're going to squeeze. All right, perfect. Let go. All right. So it gave you 27.8 pounds. We can change it to pounds or kilograms. And it gave you normal. So you have normal grip, okay? Which is good. We're going to change Willow to the girl, okay? We're going to press on again. Now the age, Willow, 10. We'll leave it right there. Perfect. We're going to give you the dynamometer, or the grip tester. Go ahead, it's all yours. Give it a squeeze, 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 squeeze. Excellent. What do we got? Let go. Perfect. Look at that. What does that say? Strong. 59.6. All right, so that's a fitness assessment, all right? It's a little bit different than probably you guys are used to. You guys are just used to playing, you know, and participating in an activity, which is great. However, every now and again, we should stop and do a fitness assessment to see where we're at, what we need to do to improve, and then come back and do it again to see if those activities have actually worked. So fitness tests, assessments are very important and much needed to determine the fitness level of your class.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like, share, or comment to let us know how we're doing. Now go ahead and click over here to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. We have a new video every Wednesday. Click over here to see more of our videos, or down here to get great downloadable activity guides. See you next time on the Flaghouse Activity Channel.